AI is changing the outlook of the world. It is automating many tasks in the world and making your life easy. But what if I tell you, you can also make videos through the AI. AI will create video, AI will create a script, AI will do video editing and all. AI can do around 80% of your video creation work. You just have to do 20%, that is choosing the title and the thumbnail and all. So in this video, we'll be talking about the top 7 AI tools that you can use for video creation and that can make your video creation life easy and also will make you money when you monetize this video on various platforms. So let's start the video. The number 1 is Synthesis. Synthesis is one of the best AI generators in the world, which is also a leading company in developing algorithms from text to voice about videos for commercial use. Synthesis' main aim is to help you enhance your video content such as explainer, such as explainer videos and product tutorials in just a matter of minutes. Some of the main features of Synthesis are: there are 74 real humatars. It means you don't have to show your face, but you can add a human in place of you so that you can easily interact with your audience. Then moving to number 2 is Synthesia. Synthesia is another great AI tool for video generating. Synthesia is used by world's biggest names like Google, Nike, Reuters and BBC. With Synthesia, there is no need to complex video equipment or filming locations. You can choose from over 70 diverse AI avatars, even get an exclusive AI avatar for your brand. Beside the preset avatars, you can also create your own. Some of the main features of Synthesia are: there are 70 plus AI avatars that looks like human. There are 65 plus languages. They have wide variety of video templates. Moving to number 3 is Pictory. Pictory is an AI video generator that enables you to easily create and edit high quality videos. One of the best aspects of the tool is that you don't need any experience in video editing or design. You can start by providing a script or article which will serve as the base of your video content. For example, Pictory can turn your blog post into an engaging video to be used for social media or your website. This is a great feature for personal bloggers or companies looking to increase engagement and quality. Since it is based on the cloud, it works on any computer and you don't need any heavy computer for running that. Then coming to the number 4, Ladoio. Ladoio is run by a global AI technology experts and is another leading AI video generator that enable user to create wide range of video content from text. With Ladoio, you can easily generate videos at scale. You can use the platform to generate a professional video from the link to an article or a blog post in just 3 clicks. You first copy-paste a blog URL or HTML text before choosing one of the templates from the library. All that's left to do is to review the video and make any changes and render and download it. It's that simple. You don't have to do any cutting, cropping and video editing. You just have to review it once and then export it. To number 5, which is my personal favorite, is InVideo. InVideo is my personal favorite for some of the reasons. First is, it is absolutely free. You just have to bear a small watermark that is almost invisible in most of your video. Use it free for the lifetime. Also, InVideo have text to video features which help you convert your scripts into videos directly. Or you can also choose from many templates that can suit the mood of your video. Some of the main features of InVideo are: no background in video creation needed, video from input text in just minutes, and professionally designed templates and share straight to social media. You can directly download it or share it on YouTube also. Now the 6th one is SinceVideo. SinceVideo offers a great tool that provides you with a new way to engage your audience. You can use it to transform blog posts into high quality video in a matter of minutes. The platform offers various human avatars with more than 40 selections. SinceVideo relies on AI technology to generate natural looking lip movement based on the word in the text. Everything is automated from start to finish, so there is no need of editing and experience. So the 7th number is Veed.io. Veed.io is one of the best AI video generators in the market and is very easy to use, which makes it easy for everyone with basic computer skills to generate high quality video. You can create unique video by customizing text, font, color, music and much more. The platform also offers different themes so you can convey certain messages through your videos. Veed also make it easy to transcribe a video's file in one click. All you have to do is upload your video and click auto transcribe and download the transcript. Thousands of content creators around the world rely on Veed to make videos for social media and various platforms. So these are the 7 AI tools that you can use to generate your next video. All of the tools I have used it personally and then recommending it to you. So if you have liked this video, then do hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you like this type of content more, then subscribe my channel.